What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on the garage. We're going to be getting it prepped for AC unit in here, or I guess technically a mini split unit. But at the moment, all we've done for weather type seals, or for weather in general, is we've got the insulation on the garage. Does it help? Probably maybe helps in about 8 to 10 temperature difference in terms of what is going on outside. However, when I have the garage closed, there's definitely light coming through. So there's light, there's pollen, there's dust currently in the neighborhood. So the dirt is most likely just coming through here and getting things slightly dirty. So to fix that problem, we're going to be adding a garage door seal. Literally, it's just a garage door seal. I ordered it in black from Amazon. It does come with 3M tape, so you can tape it first, and then it also includes some screws. And it also has some black caps, so you can cover the screws. However, I did go to Home Depot and I picked up some other screws here, some black ones, smaller, and I think that this is plenty big for, I think it's plenty big for the garage door seal. I don't think we need as long as these guys are. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how much light it is that I'm talking about, that you can see through the garage, and then how much light comes in, hopefully none, once the door seal is put. So at the moment, you can see just how much light is coming through the garage, as well as the other side. The other side, there is a lot of light coming through. So this is what we're going to hope and avoid with the garage door seal. So the goal is obviously to get a good sealant. So I'm just testing out where I see that this the garage is flush to it, and it lines up pretty well with that little edge over there. But I think it's good first to check with the garage closed and see how close you can get it, how tight it can be. That way, it really pressure seals the garage in there. So I'm gonna go and open it up again. I'm gonna go ahead and open the garage, and then we'll get started starting screwing these on. At the moment, we got one screw all the way up top, and we have an absolutely perfect fit all the way down to the bottom. So I'm going to attach a screw there, and I'll probably move up every maybe 12 inches or so. I'll put one at the bottom, one in the middle, and then in between that, and see what that's like. We have a good seal all the way to the top, and let's see what it's like when we close it. So bends it right up. Check that out, guys. Very nice seal there, going all the way to the bottom. I think that is absolutely spectacular. I think it looks good. So we're gonna run it all the way across as well. to cover everything up, and hopefully we have a good sealed garage. All right guys, so we got the sealant all the way around, all the way from up top to the bottom, to the corners, all the way down. And let's take a look and see what it's like from the inside. So if y'all remember, there used to be lights coming out of the left side there and coming out of the right. And now it's actually so dark in here that I can't see. So it looks like the only places we're now getting light is from the bottom corners. So bottom right, bottom left. That's what the light is coming from my computer over there, but this is what it looks like. And again, I'll snap in a before, now, and then after. Overall, I think this is doing a tremendous job in keeping the garage cooler, letting less air that's coming from the outside come inside. And I think it's really gonna help. I'm not gonna say that that sealant is gonna change 15 degrees or anything like that, but I think when it comes to adding AC to the garage, when we add the mini split, I think it's really gonna help keep the air locked in here. As of for the bottom corners, we may just leave it how it is, or potentially what I could do is I can just get some sort of styrofoam and kind of shove it in that little hole. That way little critters or anything like that can't really get in, or at least it prevents them from getting in, because you know insects are going to find a way in regardless, right? But super happy with that garage door seal. I'm going to go ahead and link that in the description below for those that are interested. Make sure to check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think this is going to do a huge difference in maintaining room temperature in here. I've seen other YouTube videos of people use them, so I figured why not, let's give it a shot. And also, you know, preventing dust and dirt and pollen and stuff like that, like getting in here and maintaining these bikes nice and clean. Also, that was a goal of mine. So I'll give you guys an update later once I actually get the mini split installed in the garage. So thanks again for checking out this video. I know this one was a little bit different. You know, this is part of getting the garage how I want it, and I hope this helps somebody out there that is looking for a video on it like I did. And I'll have a follow-up for sure, just so you guys can know what I think of it in long-term wise. But yeah, I really think this is gonna help. And thank you guys. Thank you for checking in. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for hanging out with me while I install this. And we'll see you on the next one.